Hi, and welcome once again to the Professor's Quick Tips. Today we're going to be taking a look at PowerPoint. So one of the things you might want to consider is when you have a finished presentation, everything has been formatted, everything's been done up to your liking, you have transitions that have been set up, but you might not be delivering this PowerPoint presentation in person. If I want to worry about distributing this, maybe online, maybe through email, I have a couple of options that I can use. Now, one of the easiest ones might be I want to turn this into a video. So I can create a video, and whether you're using PowerPoint 2013 or PowerPoint 2010, they both have this capability, but it's in a slightly different spot in each. I have 2013 open in front of me. We go in under the File tab, and you choose Export. And under there, notice you have the option to create a video. If you were using PowerPoint 2010, slightly different location as I mentioned, so it is still under your File tab, but you're going to drop over into Save and Send. And then you'll see the option there to create a video. And you have the same basic parameters that you have to provide at this point. So my next question is, what's the quality that I want to go ahead and use? So the quality settings are a little bit different between the two versions, but you basically have a high, a medium, and a low. In this case, presentation quality, internet quality, or low quality. So it depends on what your content of your presentation is. I'm going to go with just simply low quality for this demo. The second concern is whether or not I want to use recorded timings and narrations. So if this is a PowerPoint that's just simply going to be, browsed at a kiosk, a fixed amount of time on each slide, I can just say don't include that, and I'm worrying about how much time it's going to spend on each slide. If I do want to have a presentation with voiceover narration, I make sure I set that up ahead of time. That's actually done on your slideshow tab. You tell it that you want to record the slideshow, and that way it can capture the amount of time spent on each slide, and all of your voiceover is captured as audio files to go along with that. Now for this demo, we don't have any audio files, so I'm just going to say no timings and narrations. We'll just spend 2 seconds per slide. That way we get a very short and sweet video. And last but not least, we say create the video. I tell it where I'm going to save it and a file name. I click save. So it goes through the process of converting that over into an MP4 video file, depending upon how big your presentation is, how many slides, how much external content you've got. Might take a few seconds, might take a few minutes. This is a small presentation. As you can see, it's already done. So last but not least, let's take a look at the finished product. I browse to it on disk, run through welcome, and away it goes. So it's spending 2 seconds per slide, as we can see. It also captures things such as transitions. So as we see on this last slide, notice how we have the transition effect that got incorporated as well. So that's all it takes to take a PowerPoint presentation and create a video on that for easier distribution. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching.